Moving to the next session for 4th semester B students, the subject code is 18 MAT 41. Topic is statistical methods. Already we solved one problem. So next one, fit a second degree parabola y is equals to ax square plus bx plus c in the least square sense for the following data, and hence estimate y at x is equals to 6. So given data is x values are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and y values are 10, 12, 13, 16 and 19. To solve this problem, first we have to write the normal equations associated with y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, which is given in question, are as follows. So first one is summation of y is equals to a into summation of x square. So take summation sign both the sides. Summation of y is equals to a into summation x square plus b into summation of x plus summation of c, or we can write directly nc. N is the number of values for x and y. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is n is equals to 5. Next, multiply this equation with x. So it becomes summation of xy. Next, a into summation of x square into x, x cube, plus b into summation of x into x, x square, and next c into summation of x. So we have multiplied x, and c is a constant number whatever we had received from here, c of x. Next, again multiply with x to get summation of x square y is equals to a into summation of x raised to 4 plus b into summation of x cube plus c into summation of x square. So n is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, the relevant table is as follows. So first one, write down these values. Write down these values given. X is 1, 2, 3, 4 and y value 10, 12, 13 like this. So I will write x it is 1, y is 10. Next, x is 2. Next, y 12, 3, 13, 4, 16, 5 and y value is 19. So multiply this, x into y, it is xy, 2 into 12, 24, 3 into 13, 39, 4 into 16, 64, 19 into 5 is 95. Next, x square y, x is 1, x square is 1, 1 into 10, it is 10. Next, 4 into 12, 48, 9 into 13, 117. Next, x square, it is 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 16, it is 256. Next, 25 into 19, it is 475. So x square we have calculated here 1, it is 4, 9, 16, 5 into 5, 25. Next, x cube, x is 1, x cube is 1. Next, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 4 4 the 16, 16 into 4 64. Next, 5 into 5 25, 25 into 5 125. Next, x raised to 4. So simply multiply this into this. So it becomes x raised to 4. X into x cube, it is x. So 1 into 1 is 1. So it is 8 into 2, 16. Next, 27 into 3, 81. Next, 64 into 4, 4 4 is 16. 4 6 are 24, 256. Next, x cube 125 into 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 12, so it becomes 5 1s are 5, 625 it is. Next, write down the values, that is summation of x. So we require summation of x is equals to how much? So it is 15. Next, summation of y, it becomes 70. So summation of xy is equals to, it becomes 232. Summation of x square y is equals to, so it becomes directly I write 906. Next, summation of x square, so it becomes 55. Summation of x cube, so it becomes 225. Summation of x raised to 4 becomes 979. So summation of x is 15 by 70, 232, 906, 55 it is, x cube 225, 979. Next, the normal equation becomes, so it is, so first one it is summation of y is equals to a into summation of x square plus b into summation, so a into summation of x square, so it is a into summation of x square, it is 55, 55 into a plus b into summation of x 15, 15 into b, so it is 15b plus n into c, n is 5, 5 into c, 5c is equals to summation of y is 70 is equals to 70. Like that, next summation of x square xy is equals to 232 and it becomes 225a plus 55b plus 15c. And third one, summation of x square y is equals to 906, and another side a into x raised to 4, a into summation of x raised to 4, it is 979a plus 225b plus 55c is equals to 906. On solving using calculator, we have so already we had discussed yesterday simply. So 1 2 3 equation, so equation 1 you write unknowns, 3 unknowns are there, a b c, so 3, press 3. In last session we pressed 2 because we have only 2 unknowns. Here 3 unknowns a b c, and this will be treated as d, it is a1 b1 c1 d1, so 3. Next is asking 55 a1 plus is equals to b1 is 15 is equals to 5. Next d1 is asking, it is 70. Like this we have to calculate. Finally, next is asking a2, next b2 c2 d2, next a3 b3 c3 d3. On solving you will get a is equals to 0.2857 is almost equal to 0.29, b is equals to 0.4857, it's nearly equals to 0.49, round up, and last c is we are getting directly 9.4 exactly. Thus the required second degree, thus the required second degree parabola is y is equals to ax square, it is given in question, y is equals to ax square plus bx plus c, y is equals to a is 0.29 x square plus 0.ax square plus bx, b is how much, 0.49 x plus c is nothing but 9.4. So this is a required second degree parabola. So also at is asked in question at x is equals to c, so y is equals to x is equals to c, then y is equals to x is equals to 6, sorry it is 6, so it becomes y is equals to 22.78. I hope you understood this problem.